What's going on, guys? Joey Cuz coming back at you again today. I'm showing you another jump pack. Cause my wife took my other one and said, get your own damn jump pack, this one's mine. Her exact words, not mine. So, I got another one. And I figured I'd show you guys this one. It's different than the other one I got, but there's a Jumpstart power station. There's some more info on the top. And some more stuff on the back. So let's crack this bad boy open and I'll show you what's inside of it. So basically it's like, if you guys saw my other video, it's that small little jump pack. It comes in a case. And with this one, if I remember correctly, this one's more powerful than the other one that I got, and it comes with a couple extra things. This one actually comes with the chargers on it, so you got your USB, then you got your micro USB. I believe that's the new iPhone charger, and there's the old iPhone charger. So they give you this. You have obviously the jumper cables. Here you have your, if I can get it out, your charging wall cord. Take it out of there. So you had your charging cable for the house. You also have a charging cable for the car, and here is the pack itself. So let's just take all this stuff out and move this out of the way. I mean, the case is nice. It's regular nylon, nothing special about it. It's got a little strap on it so you can, hold on to it. So you got that. Now, on the back of it, it shows you, the model, the capacity, cranking amps, low amps, high amps. This is the model T7. The capacity is 1200 milliamps. Excuse me. Output for vehicles 12 volts. USB output, you have one at 5 volts 1 amp, and the other one is 5 volts at 2.1 amps. You have your input, which is a CC/CV 15 volt 1 amp. Your start current is 200 amps. Your peak is 400 amps, and then the battery life is 1,000 cycles. And like I said, that's basically all I just read off of the back of this. Let's see. This is a little bit of a pain in the ass. I've already opened it, but here's it's got a little rubber seal on it. That's where you would plug in the jump pack, the jumper cables, like so. And there you go. Obviously, one's a little longer than the other. So you have that. And then, just push it right back in. Gives it a pretty good seal in there. I mean, it's hard for me to even take it out. And I just hit the power button. And as you can see, it's got 4 bars on it and only 3 are lit up right now. Here are your 2 USB ports, and there is your charging port. And with this one also, has the flashlight on it, so you would hold the power button down. And there's the light. And this has 3 different settings. You have on. I guess this would be just like a, wouldn't really say a strobe, but just a flasher mode. And a faster flashing mode. And then to turn it off, just hold it down and shuts off. Now, also, like I said, there's your LEDs, they're still lit. And I'll show you the charger on it real quick. It says it's a regular USB. You would plug it into one of the 2. Make sure I'm plugging it in the right way. And now I have, what I'll do is I'll turn the pack off. Now to charge your devices, obviously you plug it in, then you hit the power button, and then it would start to charge, just like that. I also have an iPod here too, so let's see if it's actually the right one. Make sure I'm plugging it in the right way. That would also help. Okay, maybe it's not for this iPod, which I would guess not. Yeah, it's not for this iPod, but that's an older version. But there you go. You have your charging on it. I have to look to see how many times you can charge it, but I believe they said tablets you can get 2 full charges out of, and the phones you can get possibly 4 full charges out of. So I'm gonna have to test that theory out to see how many you can get, but this one actually includes a charging cable. My other one did not. And you know, it's got little, not flimsy wiring, but you know, the wiring on it's flat. So that's pretty nice. And what I'll do is, I want to put this to the test. Now, yes, I could just hook it up to a dead battery or a semi-dead battery and show you that it works. But the way I see it, to show how good these things really are, is I'm actually going to take it outside and attach it to my car with the battery disconnected. Yes, that's right. I'm going to disconnect the battery in my car, hook up the jumper cables to the wires themselves without the battery being connected. Now, the way I see it is that if it could start a car with no battery, it definitely should start a car with a semi-charge to it. So, why don't we go outside and disconnect the battery in my car, and let's see what we got. Alright guys, before I go any further with this testing on this jump pack, as you can see, right now the bars are all illuminated, which means it's got a good charge. My battery is disconnected. The positive terminal is underneath the cap, so the battery is fully disconnected. I want to see if this will actually start the car, and let's go find out. And as you can hear right now, the chimes are going off, and give a good look at the tack. It actually starts the car with no battery. Now, will it keep it going is a different story, but it has enough juice in it to actually physically start the car up and possibly keep it running. Now, that's pretty impressive that it will start the car dead. Not dead, but will start the car with the battery disconnected. Alright guys, I don't know about you, but that's kind of impressive. Now granted, the car didn't stay running while I didn't have my foot on the gas, but not for nothing. If it can start a car with no battery connected, you know, I would definitely say that you can start a car, just in general. And basically, you only used 1 bar of juice. So, you could definitely probably start a car up a good couple times with this. So, I don't know about you guys, but I'm impressed with that. Now, basically about the actual case itself, it's plastic. It's also got like a rubber, I wouldn't say like a full rubber coating on it, but it's all right. It's nothing too spectacular. Now, will it hold up after you drop it a couple times? I don't know, but for all intents and purposes that it's made for, it's pretty good. I like it. I'm actually more impressed with this one than I was with my other one. So, just I'm gonna give you a couple dimensions on it also, just before I forget. It is 3 inches wide, about 6 3/4 long, and then you got, it's about 1 1/4 thick. So I mean, it's just to give you an example. Here's my smartphone to show you that's how long it is. It's a little bit longer than the smartphone. So, like I said, guys, this jump pack, to me, it works. You get jumper cables with it. You get the charging cable with it, with 3 different adapters on it. You get your cigarette lighter, your house plug, and a cool case. Now, the only thing that I found on here that was different, that kind of contradicted itself, is that if you look on the box right there, I don't know if you can see that, but it says 500 amps. That's basically supposed to be the peak. And on here it says 4. So that's the only difference I see between the box and what's actually on it. So, what I'll do is I'll leave links in the description box below on where you can get one of these if you guys are interested. I got this off of Amazon, so I'll leave that Was it Amazon? Yeah, Amazon. So I'll leave that link in the description below. So if you guys want, check it out and get your own little jump pack, because you know these things are the craze right now. Get yours while you can. So, and I forgot how much I think this was. I gotta look again. It wasn't too expensive either. I forgot. Yeah, that really works out good. Anyway, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a check this out, see if you guys like it, and I guess I'll talk to you guys later.